Hey there guys, welcome back to Lemon Cone, your go-to channel for easy and mouth-watering recipes. If you're a strawberry lover, then you're in for a treat because we're embarking on a culinary adventure with a dessert that's perfect for any occasions. It's Strawberry Delight. To start up, chop up some fresh strawberries into small juicy chunks. In a bowl, prepare instant jelly by adding boiling water. Whisk it well, then add the strawberry chunks and lemon juice. Mix well, set this mixture aside. It's a quick channel reminder, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring on the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get back to the recipe. Now let's whisk up sweetened whipping cream until it forms stiff. Reserve a cup for topping later. Also set aside some of the strawberry jelly for topping. Fold the remaining strawberry jelly mixture into the whipped cream for extra flavor. Now refrigerate it. Time to assemble. Grab a serving bowl and start with a layer of a sponge cake or tea cake. Drizzle some milk onto the cake to make it moist. Some strawberry syrup, layer of strawberry whipped cream. Repeat these layers for a delectable stack of indulgence. Finally, decorate with the remaining whipped cream and spread the reserved strawberry jelly mixture on top. We also assemble it in a single serving jar. Begin with a layer of cake, moisten it with milk, drizzle some strawberry syrup, add the strawberry cream and repeat the layers. Top it off with the reserved whipping cream. Pop it in the fridge for at least an hour to let all the flavors melt together. And here you have it, our scrumptious and visually stunning strawberry delight. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more delectable creations. Thank you for joining us today. Until next video, keep cooking, keep smiling.